Today we're going to find out if a cinematic FPV pilot can fly freestyle. Let's get into it. Axis Flying and CNHL have kindly sponsored some parts of this video. I built myself a 5-inch freestyle quad to see if I can pull off some tricks. We're going to head over to my local freestyle park and see if I can do 7 tricks going from easy to hard and pass. So I've just made it down to my local freestyle spot, and some local guys have done a really cool job of making this place. We've got some really cool tricks to do, and there's ribbons, there's places to dive through, there is barrels to go through. This whole area, I think we'll try most of the tricks, and over on the left there is somewhere to dive through. And yeah, so to start off, the 7 tricks that I'm going to try, going from what I think is probably the easiest to the hardest, is going to be the split S, the yaw spin, an orbit, power loop, knife edge gap, trippy spin, and then a matty flip. And we'll see how far we get. I've been doing cinematic for like 2.5 years, and I started off doing freestyle for like literally the first time I ever flew, and then since then I haven't really done much. I've come down here twice, but I smashed my drone in the first like 5 minutes of flying. So I'd say that I really don't have any experience to freestyle. Obviously being a cinematic flyer, I do try and dive through gaps and stuff like that, but we'll see. I wouldn't call myself a freestyle flyer. So obviously before we start, I'm gonna do a little warm up. So let's get the fingers nice and juicy. All right, now that the props are on the right way, let's have a little warm up. For anyone that doesn't know, the first trick, split S. What we're gonna do, gotta come at the ribbon up here, like this, and as I go over it, I'm gonna turn and come under it. Nice and simple. Should be an easy one in the bag. Split S, let's get it. Nice and simple. I'd say that's pretty good. Let's have a go again. All right, that counts, that counts, that counts. All right, number 2, we are going to try the orbit. Whilst we're on a roll, let's just keep going. We're going to do orbit nicely around this tree right here. Nice and easy. Cool. Next one is the yaw spin. So all we're going to do is we're going to come at between 2 trees there, and as we go through them, we're going to just do a nice 360 yaw spin through the trees. All right. There we go. Let's give it a go again. Yeah, that counts. All right, I think those 3 are definitely the easiest ones. Okay, all right, pretty well done. 3 easy tricks. All right, let's step it up a notch. So the next one, we're gonna do a power loop. Basically, all we're gonna do is we're gonna use these 2 ribbons here, and basically try and do a power loop going up on that side of the ribbon, all the way over the top, and then come down on that side. Yeah,
This place is definitely a bit trickier because we've got trees above, but I reckon we can pull it off. Let's get it. All right, actually we're first going to do a simple power loop over one of them, and then we're going to go for two of them. That's pretty good, pretty easy. I think we ideally want to keep it more in shot. Let's try the bigger power loop over two ribbons. So I'm going to set myself up over here, I think, and give it a go. So we go. Not quite, that was only one of them. We can get this, Get a second one. Just need a little bit more throttle for a bit longer, I think. All right, here we go. She's okay, I think. We're all good. Bit muddy, but we're cleaning her up. Still getting a bit of vibration. Must have clearly done something. But all right, here we go. Let's line ourselves up again. That was a small one. We want to do two of them. Maybe we do it the other way. Give ourselves a bit more room. Oh, here we go. Oh, I mean, kind of did it, but not very smooth. Surely we can do better than that. All right, here we go again. Nope. More. All right, here we go. One more. Watch out for the GoPro. More. Ah, I actually went in the ribbon that time. Again. All right. All right, we got it this time. Into the light as well. Yeah, easy. Nice. Next one is the knife edge gap. We're going to start nice and easy with between these two trees here. Basically, I'm going to come at it, two trees apart, go to the side, and then come back down, going through it. And then, assuming we do that, we're going to try it between these two much closer trees over here. So we get to the point there, we go low enough that the only way we're fitting through is if we're on the side. So let's give it a go on here first. All right, knife edge gap, let's get it. All right, nice and easy one here. Not really much to think about. Easy does it. All right, let's step up a notch. We're going to try and do a, wait, what's it called? Knife edge. Try and do a knife edge through this gap in the trees here. All right, nice little line up. I mean, arguably that was it, but I think we need to do it a bit lower, a bit cleaner. All right, here we go again. Yeah, I mean that counts, 100%. That was clean. This one's probably here. There's not really any good tree to do it on. Right, okay. Record me, sir. All right, the next one is a trippy spin. Something that I've never ever done. I've been able to do it like once in a simulator. But anyway, basically, tree here, we're going to be doing a reverse round it, like so, going round the tree, maintain the same distance, and hopefully do a couple of orbits around it. Yeah, I'm not I'm not confident in this one. See how far we get. Straight in. Yeah, nah. Need a bit more momentum than that. Actually, I'm going to switch a battery. No. Oh, mate, this one is so. I think we'll try a different angle. Here we go. All right. Need more speed and momentum. No. It's not. Right, here we go. Yeah, and again. I mean, for a split second, but not really. That does not count. Come on. No, I'm just going up. I think maybe I need to change the camera angle a little bit. I don't know, let's give a steep camera angle and see if that can make a difference. I mean, circumstances are not ideal. It'd be nice to have a lovely big tree or pillar without any trees around, but it is what it is. Let's give it a go again. Yeah, no, that was. I almost took my head off. Was I really close? Another prop down. Time to swap out. Right, we're going to switch it up. I'm going to come back to trippy spin if we can, but we're going to try and do a matty flip next. Which is basically come up this ribbon here, and we are going to just basically forwards roll over the front of it and come out behind it like this. Here we go. Didn't like that. Oh, that literally just, that bounce on the floor just broke the prop in half. I think I just need to go a bit slower on this one. Oh, she's whining. Right, here we go. Right, come at it. And then roll. I can't go backwards. Why can't I go fucking backwards? Alright, we got this. I can do this. Without falling over. Okay, no. Let's try again. In position. Right, coming out this way. And just a gentle roll. Yes! Yes! I got it. Okay, I mean, I'm probably not going to do it again, but yeah. I don't think I'm capable of doing a trippy spin right now. Hey. So we'll substitute out trippy spin for a split S, but into a dive. So basically, we are going to try and split S dive into the nice cage over here. Hopefully this one should be okay. Dive. It might be called something else. I actually don't know, but seems right. Right. Nope. Close, but nope. See if we can get a bit more, come at it a bit more. No, a bit more to the right. Come on. Here we go. Oh, so freaking close. All right, come on, we got this, we got this. It's happening right now. Prop? Who knows? All right, split S dive. We got this. Come on. Watch it, don't sound too close. I'm scared of your feet, your tent sides. Right, here we go. We're back. Here we go. Nope. We'll just gently ease into it. Gently ease into it. Oh, I'm just. Oh, I need to turn quicker, I think. Turn quicker. And come out a bit more. Yes, yes, yes. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. That was way too excited. Dive. Let's try again. See if we can just replicate it again. Yeah, that one was even cleaner. Let's go. All right, let's see if we can put together a little bit of little freestyle thing. Just, you know, since we're not a freestyle pilot. Oh, I just went through the f***ing ribbon. Wait, what? I went between the two bits of ribbon. Oh, you know what? Actually, I haven't added to it. I don't know what the trick's called. It's basically where you like roll over on your side going round something. It's kind of like a... You're still recording? Kind of like a barrel roll around something. So let's just do one last one. It's been a success so far. I'm not going to try trippy spin again because yeah, I think I will smash my drone up. But let's try a nice little barrel roll around this two bits of ribbon here. That's kind of it. That's kind of it. That's kind of it. So do this way. Nope. God, this drone's just like so nimble. Like cool, but bloody hell, I can't like. Right, here we go. Yeah, but I'd like to do a couple in a row, you know. Oh, what the? I mean, that kind of. Yeah, that was it. That was it. That was it. Let's see if we can look like a freestyle pilot. There we go. All right. Here, S dive. Done. Power loop the whole thing. Yep. And then we're gonna hit this gap. We're gonna come this way, and we are gonna matty flip. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I mean, oh, not quite. Cool. That was it. 6 out of 7. Well, 7 out of 8, I guess, if we added in the split S dive. And I'll take it. I mean, I'm not a freestyle pilot by any means. Did they look clean? Probably not. Maybe. The cameraman's nodding yes, so it must have been clean. We'll have to come back for a trippy spin. So if you guys like this kind of video, then next time maybe I'll challenge myself to some harder tricks and see if I can pull them off, giving them a go for the first time. Anyway, cheers for watching, guys. Appreciate you.